Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2015 Mathematics Past Question 39. Evaluates the integral of 2x plus 1 raised to the power of 2 having a function of 1 and 0. So we have to evaluate this. We have the integral 1, 0 of 2x plus 1 square. 2x plus 1 square dx. Now this is equals to integral of 1 0 into 4x squared plus 4x plus 1 dx. That is, having this square now what we did was just to multiply it through. That's 2x plus 1 into 2x plus 1, and that gave us this. So this is equals to, integrating this now, we have integrating 4x squared, we'll have 4x raised to the power of 3 all over 3 plus, integrating 4x, we'll have 4x squared all over 2 plus, then 1 is x, close brackets, the function 1 and 0. Now what we did here was that, if you have x raised to the power of n, now integrating x raised to the power of n will give, integrating x raised to the power of n is equals to x raised to the power of n plus 1 all over n plus 1. That was the same thing we did here. So since 4x raised to the power of 2, that will give us 2 plus 1, which is x raised to the power of 3 all over 2 plus 1, which is a 3, and same thing to apply here. Also, this 1 here simply means 1x raised to the power of 0. So this just simply means x raised to the power of 0 plus 1 all over 1, and that gives us x. So this is equals to, now having a function of 1 and 0 simply means that we have 4 into, when x is 1 raised to the power of 3 all over 3 plus, now 2 here 1, 2 here 2, so we have 2 into 1 raised to the power of 2, then plus 1. Then it's supposed to be minus, when x is 0, now everything here will be what? Will be 0. When x is 0, everything will be 0. That's what this 0 stands for. So this is equals to 4, 1 raised to the power of 3 is 1. 4 multiplied by 1 will give us 4 all over 3 plus, now 2, 1 raised to the power of 2 is 1, 2 times 1 will give us 2, then plus 1. Now this is equals to 4 all over 3 plus 3, that's 2 plus 1. This is equals to 4 all over 3 plus 9 over 3. 9 over 3 will give us 3. So now we're having 4 over 3 plus 9 over 3. This is equals to 3, 4 plus 9, and that is equals to 13 all over 3. Now 13 all over 3 is the same thing as saying 4 whole number 1 over 3, because 3 in 13 is 4. That's 4 times 3 will give us 12, remainder 1. So 4 whole number 1 over 3, and that is option B. So the answer to this question is actually 4 whole number 1 over 3. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.